Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Renowned dub poet and media personality Mutabaruka was honored on Sunday with the RFM Lifetime Achievement Award. The event, held at Kingston Technical High School, saw musical tributes from entertainers Tony Rebel, Beanie Man, Capleton, Nesbeth and Queen Ifrica, among others. The event, dubbed Mutabaruka The Journey, also featured poetry and an exhibition which chronicled his journey. Muta in his element performed classics such as Every Time You Hear the Sound, White Man Country and Butterpunk Culture before closing off his set with a performance with the Old School Band. In his acceptance speech, Mutabaruka expressed gratitude and highlighted the significance of being acknowledged by his peers.
We have been at RFM for 27 years and we have gotten so much award and this and that, but when the people them who we associate with around you can see it this side, it means very, very much. And the sweetness about it is that I still have many, many years to go.
Minister of Culture and Entertainment Olivia Babsy-Grange paid tribute to Mutabaruka using a spoken word.
Me sit down with my liquor butter pan and I watch you watch me. But me I watch you watch me. I know, because I don't know if you know. Say, I was in Central Village and know your mother who live at Regents Avenue when you used to come there. A long time me I watch you watch me.
Muta now joins the ranks of Dr. Jimmy Cliff, the first recipient of RFM's Lifetime Achievement Award in 2017, and Bunny Wailer, who received the award in 2018. Veteran reggae artist Coca has launched his line of active clothing. Coca was inspired to create this new activewear line branded Coca while he was on tour last year. He now joins fellow artists Vibes Cartel and Spice, who launched apparel lines back in 2017, and Buja Banta and Everything BB t-shirt line. Coca emphasizes that it's all about health and fitness, and the tagline for Coca boldly states, entertain, educate, and energize. In an Instagram post, Coca indicated that in addition to the new merchandise, he has also revealed a new track and an upcoming tour of the United States. Now, on the international scene, all charges against actor Jussie Smollett have been dropped. Smollett, who was indicted by a grand jury on 16 felony counts of disorderly conduct, pleaded not guilty to the charges and denied any involvement in orchestrating his own attack. In a statement released by his attorneys this morning, it states that Jussie was a victim who was vilified and made to appear as a perpetrator as a result of false and inappropriate remarks made to the public, causing an inappropriate rush to judgment. His attorney also maintains that the actor indeed was attacked in Chicago on January 29 and that he has been hurt by unfair and unwarranted actions that made it appear as if it was staged. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.